Mr. PTT with A-Rod's video with a video of my own. So I have a 2020 F-250 with 4,296.9 miles. My hood is ajar because we're going to check the oil. I have not changed the oil yet because my oil life is still at 37%. And when I bought the truck, they said to change it at about 25%. So that's where I'm gonna get mine changed. So, all right, let's step outside the truck. I've had it idling. I'm gonna turn the engine off now. And let's go outside and see what see what it's all about. Oh, here, let me wipe it. Clean. Shout out to A-Rod. I'm actually from Port Huron, Michigan. And I moved down to Florida in 1995. It says I have no oil on my dipstick. Then again, my driveway is on an incline. Set that in there for a second. It's just on the tippy top, but I am on an incline, so let me pull out onto the street where it's level. Okay, now I'm on level ground. Let's see what it says. Clean. It's not even on the hash marks. Maybe I should drive it and warm it up. I'm gonna go do that. Okay, I think I got it up to temp now. I get back home. Let it sit for just a minute and then check the oil and see if A-Rod's right. And if so, I will be scheduling a service appointment to use up my Ford points ASAP. That's my oil level right there. Let me wipe it off. I'll do it one more time. I think mine's okay. Yeah, mine's okay. I just had to warm it up a little bit. I checked it cold, I didn't heat it up. So yeah, mine's all right. But I'm glad A-Rod made that video. Everything else looks okay in here. I'm out of sorts. I am on my step ladder. I bought that at Harbor Freight for 40 or 50 bucks because I have a lift on mine, ready lift with Fox shocks, 37-inch tires. Big Blue is what we call it. But thanks, A-Rod. Glad you're looking out for us.